If you found this video, you're probably trying to figure out what the recommended tire pressure is on your Ford Expedition. So my Ford Expedition behind me happens to be a 2012. So the tire pressure on this truck should be the same for an 07 all the way up to a 14, which is 35 PSI, which is recommended by the manufacturer. And I'll show you how to double check that on your vehicle. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. Check this truck out. I'll show you how to find the recommended tire pressure on your Expedition, and then that way you'll know how to correctly fill it up to the recommended pressure. So on your tire, the tire manufacturer is going to have, let's see if I can find it, like a recommended tire pressure on the tire. And this Cooper tire right here says 44 PSI. So on this tire, that's the maximum pressure you can blow this tire up to. But the manufacturer of the vehicle has their recommended tire pressure to give the vehicle like the best ride from the factory. So to find the manufacturer recommended PSI for the tire, look in your door jamb, and there'll be a sticker on the door jamb. So this sticker is going to tell you a couple things. It'll tell you the front tire size, what's recommended, and it'll tell you the PSI. So it says right here, 35 PSI for the front, and also 35 PSI for the rear. The tire size on this truck is a P275 by 65 by 18, front and rear. So if your Expedition is a different model year than this one, double check it on the door jamb on the driver's side, and that'll let you know what is deemed safe on this vehicle by the manufacturer. So I hope this video helps you out and kind of takes some of the guesswork out of finding the correct PSI, tire PSI for you. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for checking us out.